So I went to my mum's on Friday in Chester, came back yesterday evening, and yeah, it was a bit of a crazy one, but I made it home in one piece, and I just had a shower, unpacked, had some food and passed out. That was it. So today, oh my lord, I've got so much to do. A bit behind on the laundry, so I'm trying to get on top of that now. Got some mortgage stuff to do, just uploading documents and things. I've done most of that, but I've just got a couple of bits that need finishing off, but I'm going to come back to it. Got to edit some video footage, and then I'm in the kitchen and I'm just going to be in there for however long I need to be, really. I've got my new oven. It's very nice. It's got very fancy buttons on it, so hopefully it's decent and it works all right. And I'm just going to be doing meal prep. I've got the juices to make, the fruit for breakfast to do, and boiled eggs. Need my boiled eggs. And I think that's about it, really. Breakfast for Jason for tomorrow and his lunch. Oh, and I've got to write the board out for the week. So yeah, that's quite a bit, isn't it? I've not been to the gym because I'm just too tired. I'm just exhausted. And I got loads of steps in yesterday at the zoo. I think we got 8,500 in, which isn't bad really, because we didn't do the full run of the zoo. We probably did about half of it. But it was good anyway. We had a good day. It was very nice. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on with all that. Oh, weight update. I've not lost anything more. So I'm still 13 stone 4. So yeah, I think that's £86 loss. But I've not put any on, so that's good. I wasn't expecting to see a loss this week. I was actually expecting to see a bit of a gain because, like I said yesterday, I've had so much bloating and water retention. I'm not sure why. It might be hormonal. Usually is. But yeah, I'm not too fussed about that. I've had a few good weeks of losses recently, so you know, it is what it is. So yeah, just gonna crack on with my day and get stuff done. So I will see you in a bit.
Bet you wanna see something. We don't wanna 너처럼 만난 친구는 없어. I don't need to say a word. Favorite 영화도 favorite 음식도 같아. 지금 이 노래도 춤추고 싶잖아. 어쩔 땐 너가 mysterio. 있으면 좋겠다 생각해. 날 위로해주는 지금 이 음악처럼. 무슨 말해도 내 맘이 춤을 춰. Got my phone out, got my stereo now. No, I don't want you to go. When you go, and I'm feeling low, low. I just sing along to my stereo, stereo. Stereo. When you say I'll be there for you, 진심인 게 느껴져. 눈물 날 때도 겹에 아플 때도 지금 이 순간도 내 옆에 있잖아. 어쩔 땐 너가 mysterio. 있으면 좋겠다 생각해. 날 위로해주는 지금 이 음악처럼. 무슨 말해도 내 맘이 춤을 춰. Got my phone out, got my stereo now. You know I don't want you to go. When you go, and I'm feeling low, I just sing along to my stereo. Yeah. Got my phone out, got my stereo now. No, I don't want you to go. When you go, and I'm feeling low, low. I just sing along to my stereo, stereo. Got my phone out, got my stereo now. No, I don't want you to go. When you go, and I'm feeling low, low. I just sing along to my.
Hi guys, it's me. So I'm just winding down now after a very long day. So I've got loads done as usual for a Sunday, and yeah, it's been a good day, productive, bit stressful because I don't know why, but I should stop doing it really, because it doesn't work out well for me. I had some stuff to upload to the solicitors for the house, and I kept thinking, oh, I'll do it at the end of the day when everything's done and my brain's like free. I'll do it then and, like, you know, upload everything then. Anyway, went to start uploading the stuff and realised I completely messed it up. So I've uploaded the wrong paperwork for the wrong question from the solicitors. So I don't know what I'm going to do to fix it, but I don't know why they can't just make things simple. Like, you have to upload like proof of where you got your deposit from and that kind of thing, and it's like, well, you know, just don't make it so complicated. And like the wording of stuff, I mean, I do struggle sometimes to understand information. So like, what one person might think is a really simple question, I'll like read it and just be like, I don't get what you're saying to me. I don't understand. Like, I don't know. I've got a weird brain, I think. Anyway, it's just stressed me out a bit because I just wanted it to be like done and out of my head. But then when I'd done that bit, it then opened up a load of other steps that I need to do. And I said to Jay, I said, that's it. I'm not doing any more of it because I'm just going to throw my phone across the room. And that's the other thing, you have to do it on an app on your phone. Well, why can't you just do it all on desktop and just make it easier? Why make it so complicated and fiddly and annoying? Anyway, I suppose that'll be what I'll be doing in the evenings this coming week, because it's not going to be simple. Yeah. And the thing is, you know, we'll get emails left, right and centre all day about the mortgage or about the house or whatever, but we can't actually do anything about it because we're working, you know, and I can't keep allowing stuff like that to pull me away from work, because I'm never going to get my work done otherwise. But then my brain is like, you need to do that thing, you need to do that thing. And oh my God, it's just so annoying. I just want it all to be done. Anyway, I've got loads of meal prep done, so I've done like 4 meals for next week. So, you know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday's done, takeaway Friday, and then I'll decide what we're having Saturday onwards when I do the shopping list and the meal prep list on Wednesday. So yeah, that's the plan. And this coming week I am going to carry on looking for some kind of second job, just something to bring a little bit of extra money in for a while. Like I say, even if it's a little cleaning job or something, I'm not bothered. Even though it's quite taxing physically, you know, it won't do me any harm, will it? Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.